subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, we will learn about the problems of continuity. In this problem, we have to check whether the given function is continuous or not. And if it is discontinuous, then discontinuity is removable or not. As compared to previous problem, this problem is quite simple and something different. The question is f of x is equal to x minus 1, comma 1 less than equal to x less than 2 is equal to 2x plus 3, comma 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 3 at indicated point x equal to 2. It means here we have to check the given function f of x is continuous or not at x equal to 2. If it is discontinuous, then discontinuity is removable or not at point x equal to 2. Now let's see the solution. So in present case, the indicated point is 2. So first of all, we go for left hand limit. That is limit x tends to 2 minus fx, that equal to limit x tends to 2. Now 2 minus means x less than 2. Now in question, x less than 2 gives f of x is equal to x minus 1. Now whenever x, we have to substitute limit as a 2. So the next step will be 2 minus 1 and that equal to 1. So in this way we get left hand limit, that limit extends to 2 minus f of x is equal to 1. Let us this denote as a equation 1. Second, we go for a right hand limit. That limit extends to 2 plus f of x, that equal to limit extends to 2 पूरा पेज गया था ते 2 लिहायचं प्लस फक्त वाढला. ठीक है. This is continuation of continuity problem. So limit extends to 2. Now 2 plus means x greater than 2. And in a question, x greater than 2 gives f of x as a 2x plus 3. That equal to, now whenever x we substitute limit 2, so we get 2 into 2 plus 3, and on solving we get 2 into 2 4 plus 3 7. So it means the right hand limit, that is limit extends to 2 plus f of x and that equal to 7. Let us this denote equation 2. Now we consider the third part, that x exactly equal to 2. It means f of 2. Now in question, when x equal to 2, we have f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. And in that function, we have to substitute 2 for x. So f of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 3. So that gives 7. So in this way, we get f of 2 is equal to 7. Let us denote this as a equation 3. Now from equation 1, 2, 3, we conclude that limit x tends to 2 plus f of x is equal to f of 2 and not equal to limit x tends to 2 minus f of x. So from this we conclude that f of x is discontinuous at x equal to 2. And this discontinuity is not removable. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.